Hi everybody, I will be showing how to set up with DBMS mini project. Here we require one web server and one is project. For web server, I will be going with XAMPP web server, XAMPP control. For download XAMPP, just go to Chrome, type download Chrome, download XAMPP. Head over to first link. Here are the list for downloading XAMPP server for different operating systems. I am having Windows machine. I will be going with Windows. The one which is latest version, that is PHP 8.00. Click download. That is my machine is 64-bit. Then click download. I have already downloaded. Here the file which I have been downloaded, XAMPP for Windows. Double click on it to install. Proceed with yes. It will start download installing. This is one warning which will be you have to clear. To clear this, click Windows R, type msconfig, go on to startup, go on to tools, then select change UAC setting, then launch. Here we have to choose when to be notified about changes to your computer. Set this to never modify. Then click OK. Then apply and then OK. From here, the setup will be installed and it is guided. I have already installed this, so I am skipping this. After installing, one file will be created on desktop, that is XAMPP control. Open it. This is our XAMPP control panel, version 3.2.4. Here there are 5 modules: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat. We will be required with Apache and MySQL only. We have to change the action, that is start Apache and MySQL. Now these two Apache and MySQL are running under the ports 80 and 443 for Apache and 3306 for MySQL. Our server is started successfully. To test it, go to Chrome, new tab, type localhost :80. Since we require with Apache. Enter. This is the dashboard page, index page for XAMPP server. Click on phpMyAdmin. Now we are finally in our database. And now we have to set up the project. I will be going with attendance management system as my project right now. I have downloaded, I have created, right click on it and extract to attendance. Here it is. All the files will be present. Now we have to move this folder to C drive where XAMPP folder is present. Here it is. I have headed to computer, then C drive, then XAMPP. Within XAMPP folder, we will be having one folder called htdocs. In this folder, we have to paste that attendance folder which we have extracted from that zip file. Here there are all the project file will be present. We need one SQL file which is present inside the database folder within attendance folder. Here there is attendance.mysql file. Now that attendance.mysql file has to be uploaded in our database. To create a new database, we have to proceed like this. Within phpMyAdmin, click on new, then type the name, database name. Our name for database should be same as that of MySQL, that file name, which is attendance.sql. And type of database should be collocation. Then create. Our database have been created successfully. Now we have to add the tables, records inside our database. For that, we need to import that SQL file which we have seen now. Click on import from this tab. Click on import, importing into the database attendance. Our database is attendance. Now we have to import that SQL file. Browse your computer, choose file. Head over to htdocs, then attendance, then database, attendance.sql. Double click. Attendance.sql have been selected. Here no changes has to be made. Just click on go. Import has been successfully finished. 14 queries executed. Attendance.sql. Let's watch the structure of our database. Here we have three tables, that is object, student and teacher. Within teacher there is none because none of them register till now. Now we will be starting with front-end. Back-end have been completed. To proceed with front-end, we have to go with localhost slash our project name. Within htdocs, we have attendance. This is our main project. Attendance. Then inside this we have one HTML file that is called as master.html. We are inside now database inside our main project. This is the starting page for my project. DBMS mini project of the team 2. Now we have to proceed with the main project. Now we are in the dashboard of teacher. Before proceeding to start with the attendance, the faculty has to register with his details. Name of the teacher, phone number, email ID, password. Retype the same password, then sign up. You have successfully signed up. Login using the same credential. As soon as we sign up, the credentials, that is email ID, will be get into the login in the text field within the email ID. Password has to be given by the faculty. Login. Here there will be the teacher dashboard page. You haven't taken any class yet. Profile of the teacher, students, statistics, about, in about page, contact, description, then logout button. Now we have to create a class. To add class, just click on this add plus button, then to select the year, current year, then subject code, CSC 721, what subject code, choose year 4, choose semester 7, starting roll number 001 slash CS branch slash 2020, ending roll number. Our class strength is 050 slash CS slash 20. Then proceed with add class. One class has been successfully added. Click on that class. Finally, we are now to proceed with the marking the attendance. The end for this class, let's check out. Here, currently there are two buttons, that is A and X. A is for to mark that student as absent. As default, A will be present. Then X is for button to delete that roll number, can't do anything. To delete that particular student, we can go with this X mark. Now we have to mark the attendance. Click on A, it will toggle to P. The students which are present, we have to mark the attendance. After completing the all attendance marking, we can proceed to send. Saved. Total classes attempted 1. Academic session 2020. Current year is 4. Subject code is CSE 721. One class attendance have been taken. To check the statistics, we can go with statistic tab.
we can go with statistic tab.
In here, average attendance. In average attendance, total days. How many days? 1 day.
Total days. How many days?
Average attendance is
Average attendance is
0.14. The percentage of attendance out of 50 students is 0.14.
out of 50 students is 0.14.
In short attendance, the percentage of the students which have been absent for the class that will be get displayed here.
Absent for the class that will be get displayed here.
To add more classes, we can go with same procedure which I have created for this class, but the subject code for two classes can't be the same.
Two classes can't be the same.
After completion of the class, the faculty can log out. This is about faculty. For students, the faculty has the permission to add the attendance, delete the student, add the student. Now, for student, the student can only get result of their attendance. Let's check out here for subject code 17 CSC 721 seat number 1 CS 1 CS slash 20. Get result. The student, this number of the register number of that student is 1 CS 20. The teacher who taken the class will get displayed here his or her name. The name of the subject is 17 CSE 721. Total classes attempted is 1. This is the attendance tracker. Presence is only one class is present. Percentage is 100. Here there is a navigation bar for print this chart or download as image or PDF. If click on print, it will go to print. This is about attendance management system. After taking attendance, let's check out from database. Within database, that is phpMyAdmin. Under phpMyAdmin, we have created attendance database. In attendance database, we have seen that object, students and teachers, there are 3 tables. In teachers table, there are nothing. Just refresh it. Here, the teacher which I have inserted right now, that is king@gmail.com, phone number, password. Here password is encrypted. And students. In object, how many classes have been taken, here it will get displayed with UID. The teacher's ID, the one which have taken the class at the beginning, will be having the ID 1. Or if the same teacher takes the attendance repeatedly, the teacher's UID remains same. For other teachers, it will change. The subject code is this and the year is this. in the section, that is
that is
year is
year
4,
is 4,
academic year is
academic year is
2020.
2020.
This is one
This is one
block
block
object.
object.
That block
That
file
block
will
file
display
will
the
display
all the
all the
attendance
attendance
from the
from the
USN, that is
USN, that
seat
is
number
seat
1,
number 1,
present,
present,
absent, it will
absent,
be
it
get
will be
displayed
get displayed
for every
for
student.
every student.
It is
It
created,
is
this
created,
file,
this
block
file,
file,
block file,
this object
this
is being
object is
created
being
from the
created from the
database.
database.
That's all about
That's all about
DBMS
DBMS
project.
project.